The Faro mixers are carefully manufactured from top-quality materials, and we can install them on our own. Installing the mixer is not difficult. For example, we will use the Zumba model, but we can install all of them in a similar way. First, let's check the contents of the package and make sure we have all the necessary tools. Prepare a flat blade screwdriver and a set of wrenches. Screw flexible connection hoses into the mixer sockets. Perform the operation manually until resistance is felt. Note that using an open-end wrench can damage the hoses. Put the base on with the seal under it. Screw the mounting bolt into the mixer body using a flat blade screwdriver. Insert the mixer into the sinkhole. Put on the washers, rubber and then a metal one. Screw the nut in with an open-end wrench or tubular wrench. Tighten if necessary so that the mixer is securely installed. Screw the connection hoses on or tighten them to the angle valves. Cold water on the right, hot water on the left. Open the water supply on the angle valves, rinse the mixer with cold and hot water, and check the tightness of the connections. As you can see, it's not that difficult. Of course, it's always good to ask for professional help, but with our videos you have an option and can do it by yourself.